Hi there, my name is Rebecca Renacres and I'm an interior designer with My House Design Build. Today we're going to be walking you through our Glimmers of Gold project. This is a full interior home renovation and I can't wait to show you what we have inside. Come on in. These homeowners knew they wanted to transform their home in a style that was entirely different from what they previously had. They knew that they wanted some focal elements that had a touch of glamour, but still wanted it to feel very cozy and livable. This living room is highlighted by a 2-story custom molding detail that replaced an existing fireplace that was rarely used. The large squares were specifically sized to draw your attention to the different heights, showcasing elements like the tall custom sheer drapery and beautiful gold chandelier. The original kitchen layout had an angular island that only allowed for 2 people to sit. However, now we have a beautiful island that sits 4 people facing the backyard, and it's perfect for meal prep and entertaining. When we reconfigured the kitchen layout, we chose to relocate the walk-in pantry to be hidden in the corner of the kitchen. It also has a custom hood fan, integrated Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances, and beautiful lighting with just a touch of gold to tie in with the details from the living room. This kitchen is now a well-organized, inviting space with ample storage. Now that the Spice Kitchen is larger, it allowed for a better kitchen and laundry combination layout. The washer and dryer now have a designated space with ample storage away from the cooking area that boasts new appliances and durable finishes. This custom built-in bench seat allows for functional shoe storage with vent holes and a space for shoes to be easily kicked off and tucked under. We removed 2 walls that separated the dining and main living room from the kitchen. By opening up the wall to the dining room, adding a unique feature wall, relaxed Roman shades, along with updated furniture pieces, it made this space so much more inviting for family dinners. In the formal front living room, this space was meant to be a very comfortable area that the family could enjoy regularly. In this living room, we really wanted to create a sense of grounding by using strong horizontal lines. Also, the integrated Samsung Art TV is a great feature if you want a smart TV that can double as artwork when you're not using it. The horizontal shiplap surround, the linear fireplace, the low sofa, and custom color block drapery all helped make this space feel cozy for everyday use. This main floor powder room was a simple replacement of existing fixtures that made a big impact. And moving upstairs, this is one of the things that I love most about the living room chandelier. It creates a beautiful shadow along the ceiling that you can see from the upper floor walkway. In the master bedroom, we added vertical shiplap wall paneling that we painted green to tie in with their new large walk-in closet storage. In the master ensuite, we rearranged the tub layout to allow for a makeup counter with hamper storage and a larger walk-in shower. Details such as the large-scale porcelain tiles that look like marble, the frameless glass shower surround, not only helped modernize the originally outdated bathroom, but also allowed for easy-to-clean surfaces. The tub layout to allow for a makeup counter with hamper storage and a larger walk-in shower. This is now an updated and bright bathroom that leaves you feeling fresh and ready for the day. In the girls' bedrooms, we customized the details to suit their personalities. They both wanted simple decor, but one loves pink and gold with subtle mid-century modern influence. And in this room, we chose to go with her favorite colors, gray and white, and we added warmth with beautiful walnut furniture. In the bathroom between the two girls' bedrooms, we chose to remove the Jack and Jill door and we kept the separated vanities so that the two girls still had their own storage spaces. We also decided to remove the tub that was rarely used and change it to a walk-in shower. Also, the beautiful crystal lights really helped add some sparkle to this bathroom that's not too girly, so it maintains its resale value. Their new basement features a large guest bedroom that sleeps 4 and a man cave just for the husband. Now that the kids are in college, the dad finally gets the space that he's been waiting for. The dark finishes and industrial accents like the brick wall and waterfall edge countertop, mixed with the personal touches like his artwork, really helped create a space just for him. This man cave still integrates the existing gym space. However, the new custom full-height drapery allows for those days that you just want to enjoy a drink and lounge without feeling guilty about not using that workout room right beside you. We are very happy that we could be a part of this transformation and look forward to this family enjoying their beautiful home for years to come.